Number 10, let f of x be 24x plus 13 divided by 1 minus 2x plus 2 plus x squared. So we have a bracket of square. As I usually do, I will just separate this into the a over 1 minus 2x plus b over 2 plus x plus c over 2 plus x squared. Okay, now we have a times 2 plus x squared, and then we have b times 1 minus 2x times 2 plus x, and then we have c times 1 minus 2x. Yeah, this equals to 24x plus 13. Dah. Okay, now I want to make the bracket 0 by using x equals to -2 first, and then we have x equals to half. Yeah, for x equals to -2, then this first, second, third. The first and second expression would be 0. So the c 1 plus 4 and then equals to -48 plus 13. Okay, so we have 5c equals to -35 and c equals to -7. Okay, so this is the first part. Second part, let's say we use x equals to half. Yeah, so I'm using half. A times 5 over 2 square equals to 12 plus 13. So we have 25a over 4 equals to 25. So I get the second answer, a equals to 4. Okay, now for the third answer, we need x equals to 0. So for x equals to 0, this will be 2a. Let me check again. I just want to make sure. For a. Okay, so we have 4a plus 2b plus c equals to 13. Okay, so we have 4a would be 16 plus 2b minus 7, that equals to 13. So we have 2b equals to 4. Yeah, then b equals to 2. So we have c equals to -7, a equals to 4, and b equals to 2. Yeah, if we rewrite that, that would be 4 over 1 minus 2x plus 2 over 2 plus x minus 7 over 2 plus x squared. Okay? Now, for the second part, part B, obtain expansion in ascending power of x up to and including the term x squared. Okay, so let me rewrite that first. So we have 4 over 1 minus 2x, then plus 2 over 2 plus x minus 7 over 2 plus x squared. Okay, now we do one by one. Okay, so the first part, because the constant is already 1, so I just do it directly. So -1. Okay, so the first one obviously is 1 plus n times x, that would be 2x. And then we have -1, -2 times -2x square over 2 factorial. So this one I will get 4, open bracket 1 plus 2x plus 4x square. That would be 4 plus 8x plus 16x square. Okay, that is the first part. The second part, be careful, it's not 1. The constant is not 1, so we have to factorize it. So this will become 2 over 2 because we take out 2. So what's inside the bracket would be 1 plus half x negative 1. Okay? Yeah, so this will become, langsung aja, 1 plus -1 times half x. And then plus -1, -2, and then half x to the power of 2 over 2. So the second part I will get 1 minus half x plus 1 over 4 x squared. So this is the first, this is the second. So I do 1 by 1. The third, okay, if we check the third again, this is the constant is not 1, so we have to take out, but because it's square, so you instead of taking out 2, you're taking out 4 because 2 square is 4. Okay, so that would be -7 out of 4 times 1 plus half x to the power of -2. Okay, so this will become, I write down first, -7 over 4, then times 1 plus -2 times half x, and then plus -2 times -3 times half x square over 2. Okay, now it will become -7 over 4 multiplied by 1 minus x plus 3 over 4 x square. Or the final answer for the third expression would be -7 over 4 plus 7 out of 4x minus 21 out of 16x square. Okay, so we have the third one. So let's combine everything. For the term independent of x, that would be how many? 4 plus 1 minus 7 out of 4. That would be 13 out of 4. Okay, for term of x, that would be 8 minus half plus 7 out of 4. That is equals to 37 out of 4. For the term x square would be, okay, this is x. X square would be 4x square plus 1 minus 7 out of 4. Oh, sorry, my bad. I look at the wrong part. For the term x square, that would be -21 over 16, and then plus 1 out of 4, and then plus 16. So you get 239 over 16 x squared. Okay, so the 3 part would be 13 out of 4 Plus 37 out of 4x plus 239 over 16x squared. Okay, that is for B. State the state the set of values of x for which the expansion in B is valid. Okay, the expansion in B is valid if the x is less than 1, yeah, or x is in between -1 and 1. So if we see we have 2x here, yeah, either 2x less than 1, which is x less than half, or half x less than 1, so x less than 2. Yeah, so since it must be between -1 and 1, so the final answer would be this. We just ignore this. Okay, that's it for number